Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect to n8n and get your 14-day free trial. First, open your browser and go to n8n.io. Then click Sign Up. Enter your name, email, and a strong password. Then confirm your email from the link they send. Once inside your dashboard, click Upgrade or Start Free Trial, then choose a plan. After activation, click Go to Dashboard and start creating your first workflow. You can connect apps like Google Sheets, Telegram, or Discord without coding. Pro tip, check the Templates section for ready-made workflows to save time. And that's it. You're now ready to use n8n for 14 days free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tips.